This sound activation is for those feeling emotional and porous. Over the next few minutes, you'll be gently guided by music, words, and breath to align yourself with the astrological energies shaping this moment. So settle in, close your eyes, and let this sound carry you exactly where you need to go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Dear friends, each day we gather here, hearts from every corner of the globe, to share a breath, a quiet pause, and send the light of our love into a dark world. Breathe in. Breathe out. Today, we send the light of our love to those who feel everything and can't find the off switch. To those who are not breaking down, but breaking open, and woke up already full of feeling, of knowing, of a tenderness that has no target. Breathe in. Breathe out. To those who carry the world's weather in their chest and don't know which sadness is theirs and which walked in from somewhere else, we send our light to everyone drowning in their own depth today, forgetting they already know how to swim. May the flood be a baptism, not a burial. I let myself feel without needing to fix. I stop treating my sensitivity as a flaw that needs managing. I remember that softness is not weakness. It is the thing that bends and doesn't break. I give myself permission to be formless today and trust my shape will return. Not every feeling needs a name, and not every wave needs to be ridden to shore. Some days, the work is simply allowing, letting the current carry what we've been white-knuckling. Today, the sky fills to the brim. Today is saturated, heavy with the unseen, thick with dreams that haven't found their edges yet. Don't try to make it productive. The dissolving is the work, and the softening is the point. Something is asking you to stop resisting today. Old feelings surfacing, the grip loosening, the cry you've been postponing, finally finding its moment. We are deep in the most porous, boundaryless energy of the year, and the current is strong. Action today looks like surrender. The veil between conscious and unconscious is tissue thin. Dreams may be vivid. Emotions may feel borrowed. None of this is a problem unless you fight it. This is a day for letting the water rise and trusting that what it carries away was never truly ours to keep. May your day be filled with love and light.